The mere fact of you moving closer to power is powerful. Let me know if you need something else or whatever. Bye. Sorry it took so long.
For me, from what I see, hip-hop on the West Coast started like 1982, 83, something like that. And I guess so-called gangster rap started at the same time because those were the first records that really made it out here, you know. Ice-T had a big influence on a lot of people out here because he actually started it to me. Ice-T and Schoolie D, actually. Schoolie D had the record PSK out at the time, and Ice-T had 6 in the morning. And these were the only records we were playing because, you know, they were saying things that we could relate to, you know.
They say hip-hop's alive, then show me where it's at. Cause y'all sound deader than a zombie on a track. Now watch me bring it back like a pickup truck. And I'm closing all exits, man, y'all niggas are stuck. I went from 50-cent sodas to $1 million yachts. You know the sky ain't the limit when you the black astronaut. You was sitting in the cold, you was trying to make it hot. First I started with a little bit, and now I got a lot. Put some soil in a pot, drop a seed, let it grow. A lot of dudes rap, but they ain't got this type of flow. I'm the new school, old school, I make and break my own rules. I came up fast, I'm out of class like a hall pass. Better yet, I'm like that weed in your locker. Before you roll it up, you gotta break it down proper. The pussy rocker, call me Moscato P. You want my 16 bars, you gotta pay the fee. Come with me, nigga.
Some people in hip-hop are cornier than others, you know, but everybody's out there doing their thing and doing it to the best of their ability, I believe. You know, there are some people I think should leave it alone and go get 9 to 5s, you know, but for the most part, it's all the same.
You see, most of these rappers only here for short term. That's why every time I meet one, I'm never too concerned. I respect you gotta earn. If you don't, the tables turn. Step back and adjourn. If you study, you can learn. While you out here baking pies, I got my eyes on the prize, making y'all understand, overstand, and realize this here's for smart guys who never ever like to wait. Cause this cash moving fast in this class, you never late. Listen, I went in underdog, came out a winner. I'm eating breakfast right now, I haven't started dinner. You claim it's all love, but you're really just a hater trying to analyze me like a fucking commentator. My bars are constellations, 16th of universe. You came in the Bentley, you leaving in the custom hearse. I made the order, now they coming for your whole crew. Man, even if you caught my style, I change it up and come anew. Who?
Everybody doesn't complete 4 years of college, you know. It gives you something else to do, and it is a job. Straight up, it's a straight up job. It's not everything that you see in videos, you know. Most people in video are fronting anyway. You know, it's not about that. It's about what goes on in here. You know, that's what it's all about. A lot of people in hip-hop right now are going to a more positive note, including myself, you know. Right now it's like, it's really up in the air, you know. Everybody's sitting on edge waiting to see who's going to do the next thing, what's going to be the next shit that everybody's going to follow, you know. I've set a couple of trends myself and everybody follows it. And, you know, other people in hip-hop have done the same thing. Right now, is waiting for that new person or anybody that's going to come along and say, bam, okay, this is the next shit. This is the next shit. This is the next shit. This is the next